Hello naturals, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're coming across the channel for the first time, you want to go ahead and click on the red subscribe button, because on this channel I show you how to use natural remedy to grow your hair. So kindly join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button. And in today's video I bring you this powerful DIY deep conditioning recipe that will not only stop hair shedding but also promotes hair growth. So guys, let's dive right into the video. To make this deep conditioner, I will be making use of fresh aloe vera. So I will simply start by extracting the gel from the aloe vera leaf. I'll be needing about 3 to 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel for this recipe. Like I always like to say, the amount of ingredients you use on any recipe you're making totally depends on the volume and the length of your hair. So my hair is really thick, so I'll be making use of about 3 to 4 tablespoons. You can keep it low or you can increase it depending on the volume and the length of your hair, guys. So I am going to run you through some benefits of aloe vera that I'm sure you already know, but I like to remind you. Here are some incredible benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer that helps restore the pH balance of our scalp. It helps in reducing dryness and itchiness. It is rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish our hair follicles, thereby promoting hair growth. Guys, there are lots and lots of other benefits of aloe vera, so you can go check it out. And I went ahead to blend my aloe vera because I don't want to have any lumps or any of the aloe vera leaf in my aloe vera gel. So I just made sure I had to blend and also strain it. And the second ingredient, which is a powerhouse, is called moringa powder. Guys, moringa powder is a powerhouse of nutrient, and combining moringa powder with aloe vera, guys, I tell you that this combination is super effective. So guys, because I want my DIY deep conditioner to have a creamier consistency, I went ahead to add deep conditioner. I know at this point you're going to be wondering, why am I adding moringa powder and aloe vera to the deep conditioner? Okay guys, if you experience a lot of hair shedding, you want to start using strengthening deep conditioner, which is going to help you stop and also prevent hair shedding. So that is the reason why I added moringa powder and aloe vera to the deep conditioner. So that will make it a strengthening deep conditioner. And note that you're not supposed to use strengthening deep conditioner always. You just want to use it maybe once or twice in a month, or when you're experiencing hair shedding. Okay guys, I always opt for normal deep conditioner, but if you're experiencing hair shedding, you want to start using strengthening deep conditioner, guys. Now here comes the fun part. I totally enjoy every application time because it is a time I get to play with my hair. I get to massage my scalp and just pamper it. And as you can see in the video, I sectioned my hair and then I went ahead to spray some water to dampen my hair. Then generously I went in with the DIY deep conditioner. I start from the root to the tip, from the root to the tip till I cover all my hair. And guys, after the application, I am going to take time to massage my scalp. This is to promote blood circulation and enhance the effectiveness of this DIY deep conditioner I'm using on my hair. And after that, I'm still going to show you what to do next, so I beg you not to go away at this point. And guys, as you can see, I'm also taking my time to detangle my hair at this point without using any comb at this point. Well, to finger detangle before going in with any comb if there's any need for that, but I did not use any comb because I took my time to detangle my hair and it was good to go. After each application, I always go back to it twist because leaving it out might just dry it out, and you don't want that, or it might just end up shrinking the hair back and you might have difficulty in combing it out again. Remember, I didn't use any comb, I just finger detangle because this deep conditioner is really moisturizing. Like the aloe vera gave it a lot of slip and I am just repeating the same application method that I used for the first section, just like I did water first, then I go in with the conditioner, and then I just finger detangle and put it back into twist. And over here I am done, and I'm just covering my hair with a nylon bag. Then I follow up with my steaming cap. I am just going to steam my hair for 20 minutes. This is going to allow the product penetrate into my scalp and my hair strands. So do well to heat up your hair. If you don't have a steaming cap, you can make use of your shower cap and just let it sit on your hair. If you're using a shower cap, you want to leave it longer, maybe say 30 minutes, but I left mine for 20 minutes. And over here, I was just reading messages while I wait for my hair to steam. Guys, I really enjoy every bit of this treatment. Like, my hair was already feeling good already. There you have it, guys. My hair felt really soft and my curls were just popping out. My hair felt very thick, and like my curls were just out on display, guys. You can actually see it from the video. So I am just going to go ahead and rinse off my hair using just shampoo. I'm not going to be using any conditioner, and after that I am going to seal in moisture by using my hair growth oil and hair butter. And there you have it, guys. Use this treatment once in a month and use it twice in a month if you're experiencing excessive hair shedding. This is a simple, powerful DIY deep conditioning treatment using aloe vera and moringa powder. Use this treatment and say goodbye to hair shedding and embrace your healthy looking hair. If you enjoyed this video, you know how we do it here. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more natural hair remedy videos, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss a video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful.